Have you ever wondered how the galactic civil war plays out from both space and ground? Today we're exploring Star Wars: Empire at War to understand its strategic depth. Released in 2006, Empire at War offers real-time strategy gameplay set during the galactic civil war. The game includes an expansion called Forces of Corruption released later that year. Players command iconic Star Wars characters like Obi-Wan Kenobi and Darth Vader across over 80 unique locations, each with its own strategic advantage. Locations include Kashyyyk, Tatooine, and Dagobah. The game features both ground and space battles, with physical shields protecting bases from artillery and bombing runs. This adds a layer of strategic depth to the gameplay. Mobbing runs. Community has kept the game vibrant, with Petroglyph providing updates for several years post-release. This includes mods like Age of the Empire, which reimagines gameplay from the Clone Wars era. Real-time strategy elements allow players to manage resources and units effectively. The game's design encourages strategic thinking about both land and space conquests, making it a unique entry in Star Wars games. With its deep gameplay mechanics, iconic characters, and rich lore, Empire at War remains a standout game among Star Wars fans. Its blend of space and ground warfare offers unmatched strategic depth. So there you have it, the rich strategy behind Empire at War. What aspect of its gameplay intrigued you most? Let us know in the comments.